Hey, hey, quasi-random farm, it's me again. And here's our little angels that we're brooding from the first hatchimentary series. Trying to get the camera locked in. There we go. Everybody's looking extra cute. Got a little bit of tiny comb development popping up. That's exciting. I'm going to change their water and let this run really quick. I'll be right back. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's perfectly okay. All right. Their feathers and stuff are coming in nicely. Super, super cute. Oh, I haven't given them any treats or anything other than the chick starter 20% protein food. They are 10 days old, and you're so cute. I'm gonna try to catch one of you guys. Sorry, don't freak out. Hey, 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 it's okay, it's okay. Look at that wing development. Super cute. His little tail feathers are coming in, or her. We're not 100% sure yet. Got no development on, oh, hey, it's okay. No development on the underbelly yet. Sorry, little guy. Hey, nobody's hurting you. Little bit of comb development. Here you go. Sorry. The two lighter colored ones still don't have nearly as much feather development as the two Astralorp Delaware mixes. That's pretty interesting. So I wonder how that's going to impact, providing that any of them are hens. Hopefully they'll all be hens. But I wonder how that's going to impact their egg laying. Is it going to be earlier than an Astralorp because they're mixed with the Delaware? How quick are they going to develop overall? Pretty excited to find out. But this is our update on the chicken brooding. And thanks everybody for tuning in. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate you. Say bye, everybody. Aww. Y'all are so cute. Bye.